Have you ever noticed how some of the best inventions were born out of laziness? Like the escalator, literally just stairs but much easier. That's not just engineering, that's efficiency born out of laziness. And honestly, laziness gets kind of a bad rap because sometimes it's not laziness at all, it's just looking for a smarter way to do the same thing. And when it comes to making money online, this is exactly the same thing I've discovered. Better and faster and easier ways to do it. Now, let's get one thing clear though, there's no such thing as making money overnight, but there are ways to make money that are a lot easier, less stressful, and frankly, way more passive than most people realize. And today I want to break down the 5 laziest ways to make money online. Now, this isn't just theory, these are ways that I've tried and tested myself and gotten real results. I've seen behind the scenes of over $120 million worth of profitable online side hustles and businesses, and trust me, the easiest ones all have a few things in common. Low overhead, high leverage, and smart use of time. So if you're someone who doesn't want to grind it out for 12 hours a day, but still wants to make something real, stick around. Now compare that to running an affiliate website. You've got one virtual assistant overseas, some SEO, and money rolling in while you sleep. One takes sweat, the other takes strategy. They're both great, but in this video, I'm going to focus on strategies and online side hustles you can do from anywhere. So if you're ready to stay lazy and get paid doing it, stick around. Now, one of the most passive ways to make money online is through AdSense or sites that make money through ads. This one's kind of old school, but it still works, and especially if you're able to drive enough traffic to get off of AdSense on places like Mediavine. You build a site, rank some content on Google, and slap a few ads on it. Every time someone clicks, you get paid. That's the easy part. The hard part is actually getting traffic for the right price. Now here's the lazy part. Once the content is up and running and ranking, your job is mostly done. The site keeps making money month after month, and the only thing you're really doing is checking your dashboard every so often and maybe posting some new articles every month. There's entire networks of niche sites out there. Some people own dozens, and while one site might only make $100 per month, 10 sites, that's essentially a pretty good income, especially for a side hustle. And most of them don't really break a sweat. Again, the landscape has changed a lot for SEO, so I won't go too deep on that, but there are still people making money with content sites and with ads. This is still a great technique if you want to get started and learning how to rank on Google or learning how to get traffic to your website for the right price. You can do this through social media, through YouTube, through a lot of other means, and especially now with AI search intent. If you guys like that part, you're gonna love this. I'm giving away my best-selling book for absolutely free, and here's how you can get the audiobook in just a few seconds. Inside this book is the same techniques I've used to work abroad in paradise in more than 100 different countries. And the best part, this strategy hasn't just worked for me, it's helped hundreds of thousands of people earn more, work less, and travel the world. I'll leave a QR code here where you can get the audiobook for free with a free 30-day Audible subscription. Now, once you've figured out how to drive traffic to a website, the easy next step is to look at affiliate marketing. Amazon affiliate is one of the biggest ones out there, but there's also a lot of other great private affiliate offers. Instead of relying on ad clicks, you promote products. If someone buys it, you get a cut of that thing they bought and everything else they bought while they were doing their checkout. This could be Amazon, or it could be a digital product for something you're working on. There's a lot of different options for higher payouts. The trick here is you don't make the product, ship anything, or handle support. You just send traffic to it and make sure that it converts. That's it. Some people do this through blogs. Other people do this through YouTube, email newsletters, or even TikTok. And if you set it up right, you can earn affiliate commissions for years off content you posted once. My sort of recommendation for this is to make content, but more importantly, make content that drives people to a newsletter so you can promote these affiliate offers. Once you have a newsletter, you're going to actually own that audience. And it's going to be a lot more reliable when you're going to promote your blog posts with ads or your affiliate products and affiliate links. You can also get sponsors for it as well, which is a really cool strategy. Now, if you really want something passive and want to get started, this is going to be the best option for you, which is building a low ticket funnel. This is how I made my first 10K online, so it's close to my heart. The idea is simple. You sell a low ticket product, usually under $50 or $100, but instead of that just one sale, You build a funnel that upsells with email follow-ups and as they're checking out. So that $9 ebook can turn into a $97 or $1,000 upsell later on, then a subscription that keeps them on and on. The product isn't the end. It's all about delivering a really good experience, building trust, and then delivering them something that's going to be the next logical step. With this process, you're looking to add value, create trust, and get people real results. Once you get people real results, they'll keep coming back and wanting to spend more with you. Now, if you want some help, we actually build done-for-you funnels and systems in the Earn From Anywhere Academy. You can get access to a bunch of my courses, our live and active community, and live trainings. Click the link below to start your free trial to see how it all works. Are you tired of juggling 30 different software tools just to keep your business running? Well, I was in the same boat, so I deleted everything and found an all-in-one solution that helped me save more than $1,000 per month. There's a much better way out there, and you can actually get started for free today. It's called High Level, one platform that has every tool in total control. It essentially replaces your CRM, funnel builder, email system, social media scheduler, calendar scheduling, marketing automation, and so much more. Even better, you can white label it, sell to your clients as your own software, and keep 100% of the profit. There's no extra user fees ever, and you can start a free trial today before it's gone. Scan the QR code on the screen or just click the link in the description to see why millions of businesses are switching to High Level. Next up is one of the side hustles that I recommend people trying out, and it's called drop servicing. This one's brilliant because you don't really need to know how to do anything. You just need to manage people who do. And this is a skill where I specialize in. Let's say you find a video editor overseas who charges $1,000 per month. Then you find a client who's willing to pay $2,000 for regular video content. Your job, make sure the work gets done and the client is happy. You don't edit, you don't design, you just coordinate and check the quality and deal with the clients. You can do this at scale, and this is how most people build agencies. They hire employees that can do the job for a cheaper price than if they were going to do it themselves. Keep the quality there and make sure that they're able to scale and keep a healthy profit margin. This works for video editing, social media management, graphic design, podcast editing, and so many other places out there. If there's a service people want, there's a way to build a drop servicing business around it. The one skill you really need to know is once you go down to this, you're not in the video editing business, you're in the people business. Figuring out good talent, and then also knowing how to sell and acquire customers. You need to be good at these two skills to become a really good person at drop servicing or building an actual agency. This business model I love because you can scale it as high as you want, and it's selling digital products. This is one of the most scalable and creative side hustles, and it's perfect for lazy geniuses. Essentially, what I suggest is starting off on Etsy, look what's selling, planners, templates, icons, digital journals, stuff like that. Find something that's already working, look at the 2- and 3-star reviews, figure out a way to improve it, then make it much better. Relist it under your own brand, no inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. And once it's listed, you're not working weekends to keep it going, sales come in automatically. Essentially, once you do this, you can keep getting customers, keep getting people, and sell their product as you sleep. So if you enjoyed this video, I'm gonna leave another video linked up here where you can actually get started making your first 10K online. And again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button.